If you're seeing Epic Games error code IIE1003, don't worry. This usually happens because leftover local cache files are causing the launcher to get stuck in a download or verification loop. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that clears the problem and gets the Epic Games Launcher working again. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, completely close the game and make sure the Epic Games Launcher is open and fully visible. Then, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Sign Out. This helps reset the current session and clears out any temporary login issues that may be contributing to the error. Next, you need to fully exit the launcher. Don't just close the window. Check your Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Epic Games icon there, right-click it and select Exit. This is important because the app can keep running in the background even after you close it normally. Now, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local AppData%, then click OK. This will take you directly to your local AppData folder, where Epic stores temporary launcher data. Inside this folder, look for two directories called EpicGamesLauncher and Epic Games. These folders may contain cached files that are triggering the error. Right-click each one and delete both directories from your system data tree. Don't worry, this will not remove your games from your library, but it does clear corrupted launcher cache files that can cause continuous failures. Once both folders are deleted, restart your computer. This step gives Windows a fresh start and makes sure any locked files or background processes are completely cleared out before you relaunch Epic Games. After your PC boots back up, locate the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and press OK. Running the launcher as administrator can fix permission-related issues and help Epic access the files it needs without getting blocked by Windows. Now double-click the shortcut to launch the app again. At this point, Epic Games should start up normally, and the IIE1003 error should be gone. If the launcher opens correctly, try signing back in and checking whether your downloads or updates now work as expected. If the error is still showing, go back and double-check that you fully exited the launcher before deleting the folders, and make sure both cache directories were removed. In most cases, this combination of clearing local data, restarting and running as administrator is enough to fix the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix Epic Games error code IIE1003, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.